Hi everyone, Kyle here from BF Light Shows. Today we're going to demo the three different moving heads from your Pixel store, the 350 watt outdoor, the 230 watt indoor, and then the Matos Designs Phoenix Ray LED moving head. So we're going to do a current test, we're going to do a lumen test, and a speed test. So we'll do a demo inside as well as go outside. So now that they're turned on, we have our current meter. We're going to measure what these things draw. First up, the outdoor. This thing is currently drawing 0.24 amps. The indoor is 0.12 amps. And the Phoenix Ray, 0.03 amps. So we have our most power hungry, followed by our least power hungry. And next up, we will do a lumen test and then a speed test. This is 175.5K, 115K, and 85.1K.
Next up, we are going to test the pan, the left and right motion of these moving heads. This is going to be a 180-degree pan test, left to right and then right to left. So in this test, you can see the indoor one in the middle is absolutely moving faster than the other two. The Phoenix Ray on the right side is moving faster than the outdoor on the far left side. You can see that the Phoenix Ray has completed its full range of motion a little bit faster than that 350 watt one, but it is still about half of the distance as the indoor one. So the indoor one is definitely going to be your fastest option. Next up, we have a tilt test, and you can see again the indoor one is moving faster, but the Phoenix Ray is going faster than the outdoor one. You can see that it completes its full range of motion and starts changing directions a little bit faster than the outdoor one. The next test we're going to do is a simultaneous pan and tilt test, and again you can see the indoor one is going to be the fastest. We are going to do a quick color test here, and you can see the LED is the fastest color changing option. The bulb-based are spinning a color wheel, and you can see that little flash. That is the color wheel changing to get to the right color, where the Phoenix Ray is just going to the dedicated color we set. That is definitely going to be an advantage for this Phoenix Ray. So let's go take these things outside and see how they do in the elements. First up, on the left, we have the outdoor 350 watt. In the middle, we have the 230 watt. And on the right, we have the 300 watt Phoenix Ray. And we're going to do another set of brightness testing, current testing, and speed testing. And then we will show what an actual sequence looks like with these three heads.
The Phoenix is 49.1K. The indoor is 83K. The outdoor is 134.2K. Now we're going to measure current. The current draw on the Phoenix is 0.04 amps. The current on the indoor is 0.12 amps. And the current on the other outdoor is 0.17 amps.
Next up, we are going to point them in the sky, and we will play with focus. So right now, they are all set to not have a focus at all. We will make the adjustment to go to 100% focus on all three, and then we will bring them back down to 0. So this is with 100% focus, and you can see how the beams change there. And we'll bring them back to 0. And now they are 0, so you can see how those beams change when you play with the focus. So next up, we will start to do some movement testing. So on the right side or the bottom of the screen, when the angle changes, we have the Phoenix Ray. The middle is still the indoor 230, and then the left or the top is going to be your outdoor 350. So first up, we're going to do a pan test, and you can see the indoor is moving the fastest, followed by the Phoenix Ray, followed by the 350 watt outdoor. Next up, we're going to do a pan test. Again, the indoor is going to be your quickest, followed by Phoenix Ray, followed by the 350 outdoor. And then we're going to do one other pan test just at a different angle here so you can see it a little bit better. And again, same results. So let's test out a sequence and see how this would work in a real world application. I chose Dracula for the sequence test. I liked the movement in it and thought it would show these off pretty well. So you can see all three beams are showing up, the movements are nice and smooth, and all three of them are doing exactly what they're supposed to do.
Wow, those things really look great outside. So the takeaway here, the 350 watt outdoor is going to be the brightest option. It's also a little bit heavier, harder to put in certain locations. It is going to give you your brightest bulb. It's going to have around the same pricing point as the LED version from Matos Designs. The indoor is going to be the most expensive. It is going to be your fastest moving head. It will be slightly less bright than the outdoor 350 watt, but it will be the fastest moving. And your LED is going to be your smallest option. It is faster moving than the outdoor 350 watt, but it is a little less bright than the other two. Keep in mind, when you're looking at the three of these being compared, they are all side by side right next to each other. In a show, you are going to have all of the same type of moving heads, so you and your crowd will not notice the difference, the dramatic difference that we're showcasing here. So the Phoenix Ray is a great moving head. Comes in a 2-pack with a flight case. They're small, lightweight, and portable. Your indoor moving head is going to be more expensive. It also requires a dome. And then your outdoor 350 watt is your heaviest but brightest option. So we hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot us a message, and we'll see you next time.